Hey everybody, welcome back to Heartline Rebuilds. I'm here today to put that fender on the F150 because it's, well, it's not damaged nearly as much as the one that's on it. Just got this nice fender delivered from FedEx in Florida. Let me see if I can get this thing out of here and check its condition. Hopefully it's better than the one I got, because the one I got is kinked right here. Right there. Oh yeah, and then this is all scratched up. It's the moment of truth. Oh, please not me messed up. Of course they got fine scratches all over it like they always do. Yeah, there's no dents, no kinks. So, I guess that'd be an improvement. Well, I think the first step in here is trying to get headlight off. I can take all these bolts out here. You can see this nice little dent here, and this is all gouged up. Big kink right there. Okay, it's time to get started. Got that front headlight trim piece off. Just a bunch of clips right through here. Just carefully pry those off, and there's a couple 7mm bolts right there that I took out. And slowly work its way off, and try not to break anything. 10mm bolt here, and in there, and right there. Get this headlight out. With the headlight out of the way, you can see the old damage here. So I'm gonna get this bolt out, and then a few bolts along the top, along the door jamb, and maybe one underneath the back there.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hi, just got this fender off. It, if you ever have the luxury of doing this, they're kind of glued in place along this ear shield thing here. So be prepared to cut it. Yeah, that was a pain. And since this is glued on from the factory, I went through and just added some RTV along here, kind of seal it up for any wind noise, hopefully. And that should sit flush up against the new fender along here where the other service yard cut it off. Just got done adjusting the hood gap here, so it's relatively the same all the way down. I'm going to tighten the bolt here, a small 8mm here. There's a bolt on the inside, 10mm here, and then those two 10s at the bottom. That was good timing. It's raining. I don't know what mechanic I would be if I didn't work in the rain. So got everything else kind of put on here. I need to get this trim front headlight piece put back on so I can get the final adjustment on that taken care of. That really just snaps in place and then bolts onto the front with lots of little bolts. And it's time for the headlight trim piece. So this should just kind of snap in place. And it's raining again. Oh well, fender's on. On to the next thing on this truck. I can get it out of here. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Got this fender on. Looks like the paint matches on it pretty well. Had to wipe off the other panels next to it. So if you can, we're almost at about 800 subscribers. Appreciate every single one of you guys. And if you can, if you're not subscribed, hit that like and subscribe button. Leave me a comment and let me know how I'm doing. I will see you on the next video. All right, bye.